See, the world won't change just cause I want it to. Got to be the change that I want to see. Be more if I want more. Get on the dance floor, wake up and live out the dream. Hallo, 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 hallo. Hallo, hallo, hallo. Hallo, 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 hallo. I see you. Hallo, hallo. Hallo, hallo.
Hello guys, here is a Hallo Hallo choreography. Make sure when you're doing it, you have some fun and engage with it. So first step, you're gonna move in front with your right, left, back, back. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, back, back again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, back, back. So you're gonna use your hands like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you wave your hands, you shake it. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna move on your right. 1, 2, 3, clap. You got it? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap. Same thing on your left. 1, 2, 3, clap. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. I will start from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, point, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, point, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, point, 1, 2, 3, 4.